Hi, good afternoon. And pasyalin po natin yung tanim natin na kamatis. Kamatis. Anyways, we're in a different location again. We planted some tomatoes here, and after are cabbages and tomatoes. Marami pang sayote dito. Ayan, maraming ulam. We have lots of food here. Yan po yung kampo namin. Diyan kami natutulog pag nandito kami. Yan, umulan dito kaya medyo, ayan, putik-putik. Putik-putik po siya. Pero, ayan, let's go around the place para makita po natin if may sira. Bye-bye. Ikot muna ako.